senior boys. Koe ulo aki mo me tari koula, isileli ang itau korisko tupo. Koe ua mo me tari siliva, koe me tari falangi-langi, koa totanga fe auhi me kopureana, Fokea kia pitavi o korisko tupo. Koe ua pe mo me tari siliva, Irayang ko atongani ahasi lakulu ewa secondary schools ko tolu mo metali polonise siausi ta makapuna of Tupo College Korisko Tupo he tolo mita efangeau ai senior boys. First with the gold medals is Hilary Itau of Tupo College. Second with the silver medals and overseas competitor Peter B of Tupo College. Second with the silver medals Ahasi Lakulo of Ewa Secondary Schools. And third with the bronze medals Siausi Makapuna of Tupo College. Malo, no. Puna maulunga ai junior boys. Uluaki mametari kola, Tevita Veikoso FWC Middle Schools. Uwa Moisiliva T.O. Waslaan Liahona High School. Koi tolu metari polonise Mikaele Ilayu Korisko Tupo. Junior boys high jump. First with the gold medals, Tevita Veikoso FWC Middle Schools. Second with the silver medal, T.O. Waslaan Liahona High School. And third with the bronze medals, Mikaele Ilayu of Tupo College. Malong Uno. Feauhi puna maalunga ai junior girls. Koiuaki mametari kola, Grace Fotu, Tonga High School. Koiua mametari silva, Melewini Taulepa, Ewa Secondary Schools. Koitolu mametari polonise, Lotomoua Talau, Tonga High School. Junior girls high jump. First with the gold medals, Grace Fotu of Tonga High School. Second with the silver medals, Melewini Taulepa, Ewa Secondary Schools. And third with the bronze medals, Lotomoua Talau of Tonga High School. Pataki Puno. Koefeawi Tolosika and Open Girls. Koiulaki mametari kola, Hena Fonohema, Korista Kuilau. Koeua Moisiliva, Virilia Anau, Ewa Secondary Schools. Koitolu mametari polonise, Laukau Wakauta, Koris up for all. Open Girls Javelins Row. First with the gold medals, Hena Fonohema, Takuilau College. Second with the silver medals, Virilia Anau, Ewa Secondary Schools. And third with the bronze medal, Laukawa Lauta of Api for All College. Malo Uno. Tahuamua tuki he tono mitai tolongeau ai junior boys. Koiulaki mametari kola, Temo Kalatoni Maivela, Liahona High School. Koeua Moisiliva, Sione Lutui, Tonga High School. Koitolu mametari polonise, Kalistiane Seau of Tupo College. Kole peke uhufanga tu i whakatapu. Kua mea uheni, ai tamasi i whakafe whakalangi o i tau supoti o no hiwang o fulu mawha. O tama pilinisi, kalani walu fotofili. Our guest of honor for the 94th Intercollegiate Sports Competition, His Serene Highness Prince Kalaniwalu Fotofili. Pataki ka tau paspasi mai o taitari fia ai tau whakawhalangani o ahonu. Tama pilinisi o klolo tonga whaki ai ngahi mentali ke kau whiauhi o ngahi whiauhi koeni i he ahonu. Whamaloa. Te teo puno. Tau hongo atu lewa ki he tolo mitai whaneau intermediate girls. Koe olo aki mo koula, los tika wheke tonga high school. Koe ua me tali silva, mele kei koliskin salote. Koe tolu mo me tali polonise, o tolata mahi kolis tailulu. 400 meters hurdles, intermediate girls. First with the gold medals, Los Tika Feke of Tonga High School. Second with the silver medals, Mele Kei of Queen Charlotte College. And third with the bronze medal, Otolata Mahi of Tailulu College. Hendoro Mita Tongiao and junior girls. Koiulati mo me tari koula. Museane Kaufusi Ewa Secondary Schools. Koewa mo siliva Mafi Whangatua Tonga High School. Koe tolu mo polonise Meriame Naitoko Liahona High School. 300 meters hurdles, junior girls. First with the gold medals, Museane Kaufusi Ewa Secondary Schools. Second with the silver medals, Mafi Whangatua Tonga High School. And third with the bronze medal, Meriame Naitoko of Liahona High School. Kahokatu ki helele mitai waneau ai open boys. Koe ulaki mo me tari koula, te mita pone koris kotupou. Koe ua mo siliva, piuleini latu akumalunga Liahona. Koe tolu mo polonise hateni taholo o kolistonga. 200 meters, open boys. First with the gold medals, David Apone, Tupou College. Second with the silver medals, Piuleini Latu, Liahona High School. And third with the bronze medals, Hateni Taholo of Tonga College. Whamaloa tu ki he whafofonga wharearea mahe ngā whiri o Rongo Niwa o whoaki atu ngai me tari koristonga. Malo puno. He tolo mitai whangeau a intermediate boys. Koe umaki ma me tari koula. At naisa folau kolisko tupou. Koe ua ma me tari silima, ne humitu halamaka kolisko tupou. Koe tolu ma me tari polonise, Henry Tuyono o kolis Tailulu. 400 meters hurdles, intermediate boys. First with the gold medals at Naisa Folau of Tupou College. Second with the silver medals, Nehumi Tui Halamaka of Tupou College. And third with the bronze medals, Henry Tuyono of Tailulu College. Malo puno. He tolo mitai whangeau ai open boys. Koe ulaki mo me tari koula. Whalakiko fispau koris kotupou. Koe ua mo siliva katoni amone koris apfou. Koe tolu mo polonise Luisi Fapoi koris Lavenga Marie. 400 meters hurdles, open boys. First with the gold medals, Falakiko Fispau of Tupou College. Second with the silver medals, Katoni Amone of Akfo College. And third with the bronze medals, Luisi Fapoi of Lavenga Marie Christian College. Whamaloa atu ke tangata sporti i Keflo na Tongani, Santeswa atu le whoaki atu ai gahi metali o Korisko Tupou. Malo puno. Tawongo atu ke he tolo mitai whangeau ai senior girls. Koe ulo aki mo koula, ana lau te au, kolis at fo'ou. Koe ua mo siliva, Maria ahau, kolis kunsalote. Koe tolu mo polonise, mele latai moa, kolis kunsalote. 400 meters hurdle, senior girls. First with the gold medals, Ana Lauteau of Apifo'ou College. Second with the silver medals, Maria Ahau, Kunsalote College. Third with the bronze medal, Melela Taimoa of Kunsalote College. Malo, puno. Lele mitai wangeau, I Mitchell girls. Oloaki mo kola, manatu hafoka, kolis Kunsalote. Koe ua me siliva, tapaita Satini Thomas High School. Koe tolu me polonise, Ofalatu Government Middle Schools, Hihifo. 200 meters, Mitchell girls. First with the gold medals, Manatu Hafoka of Kunsalote College. Second with the silver medals, Tapaita Satini of Thomas High School. Third with the bronze medals, Ofalatu Government Middle Schools, Hihifo. Kataki kuleako ya kumalunga tonga kwa yang inua betali of Government Middle Schools, Hihifo. Tauhoko atu ke lele mitai wangeau ai junior girls. Koe uluaki pe moi koula, koe me taris malangi, kia tokotaha se auhi me tua pureanga, o kuakia kia wahine fungawaka o i Tonga High School. Koe uluaki mo me tari koula, i ngā iako i Tonga ni, tupou hiki la, ako maalunga Tonga. Koe ua mo siliva, wike lotu mate alona, e ua secondary schools, koe tolu mo polonise a nita hufanga, o yako maalunga Tonga. Junior girls, 200 meters sprints, first with the gold medals, and overseas competitor Wahine Fungawaka of Tonga High School. First with the gold medals, Tupou Hikila of Tonga High School. Second with the silver, Wikelotu Mate Alona, Ewa Secondary Schools. And third with the bronze medals, Anita Hufanga of Tonga High School. Malo, puno. Lele mitai wangeau ai open girls. Koe ulaki ma me tari koula. Holai moana tauwaka, ako maalunga Tonga. Koe ua mo siliva, mele milate a kolo kolista koilau. Koe tonu mo polonise, Sarah Kawaka, ako maalunga Tonga. Open girls, 200 meters. First with the gold, Holai moana tauwaka of Tonga High School. Second with the silver, Mele Milate Akolo of Takuilau College. And third with the bronze medals, Sarah Kawaka of Tonga High School. Malo, puno.
Hello.
Lele mitai wangeau ai senior girls. Olo ati mo me tari koula, si titi maake ako maalunga Tonga. Koe ua mo siliva, Maria Ahau, kolis Kunsalote. Koe tolu mo polonise, Paia Fatafehi o kolis Tailulu. Senior girls, 200 meters sprint. First with the gold medal, si titi maake of Tonga High School. Third with the silver, Maria Ahau of Kunsalote College. And third with the bronze medal, Paia Fatafehi of Tailulu College.
Over here, yeah.
Malo, no. Lele mitai wangeau ai intermediate girls. Koe uluaki mo me tali koula, me tali whalangi o hatotaha whiauhi me tua pureanga o ere noa no kolis Kunsalote. Koe ula ki pa mo koula I ngai a koe tonga ni. Los tika feke o e tonga high school. Koe wa mo siliva Florence Hakalo koe Queen Salote. Koe tolu mo polonise Taina Kata o e College Queen Salote. 200 meters sprints intermediate girls. Gold medalist and overseas competitor Eleanor North of Queen Salote College. A gold medalist Los Tika Feke of Tonga High School. Silver medalist Florence Hakalo of Queen Salote College. And bronze medalist Taina Kata of Queen Salote College. Malo Puno. Koe lele mita e wangeau ai ngahi national team, national women. Koe ulo aki o me tali koula Taina Halasima. Koe ua mo me tali siliva ko Mafi Mapa. Ko ngahi me tali koe ni tama plinisi e foaki atuia e santeso atu ko tangata sporti decathlon atongan. Mokataki paspasia tu ang national team. Kataki kay fuak yang metali silver. Malo. Lele mita wange ahun ai Mitchell Boys. Olo aki ma metali kola. Sione tau fakiu kolis kotupou. Koe ua ma metali siliva. Lopeti tau feulaki kolis kotupou. Koe tolu ma polonise. Frank Kaihea o kolis tonga. Mitchell Boys 200 meter sprints. First with the gold medal. Sione tau fakiu of Tupou College. Third with the silver medals, Lopeti Taufeululaki of Tupou College. And third with the bronze medals, Frank Kaihea of Tonga College. Malo Puno. Tahoko atu ke lele mitai wange au ai intermediate boys. Koe ulo ati ma me tari koula. Otu whangalanu ki wanu kolis tonga. Koe ua ma me tari siliva, koe me tari whalahi langi. Amilame whinau kolis tonga. Koe ua ma me tari siliva, tuliefu piukana kolis kotupou. Koe tolu ma me tari polonise, ofa lea ai manu kolis kotupou. Tama pilinisi o kuiai e kau whiauhi ngau laka mai te me tua kureanga ke nau whiauhi tongan pe au whoaki pe mo nau ngahi me tali whaalangi langi ka koe ngahi me tali o ngahi aku anai tongan ni o whoaki pe kuknai tonga o kau hiu. Malo, uno. He tolo mitai whange au ai Open Girls. Koe uraki mo koula, holai moana tau waka, ako marunga tonga. Koe ua mo siliva, ana ponasi, ako marunga liangona. Koe tolu mo polonise, Lucia Mahua o College Queen Salote. 400 meters hurdles, Open Girls. First with the gold, holai moana tau waka, Tonga High School. Second with the silver medals, Ana Ponasi of Liahona High School. Third with the bronze medals, Lucia Mahua of Queen Salote College. Malo, uno. Lele mita e uangeau ai senior boys. Koe ula aki mo koula, fohe folau, kolis kotupou. Koe ua mo siliva, kariopasi mo vete, ako maalunga tonga. Koe tolu mo polonise, ahasi la kulu ewa secondary schools. Senior boys 200 meters sprints. Gold medalist Jorge Folau of Tupou College. Silver medalist Kaliopasi Movete of Tonga High School. And bronze medalist Ahasila Kulu of Ewa Secondary Schools. Malo, Lele mitai wangeau ai junior boys. Uloki mametari kola, paya wasi kolistai lulu. Koe wa mo siliba, temo kalatoni mai vela, ako malu ngai yahona. Koe tolu mo polonise, nixta ta folo kolistonga. Junior boys, 200 meter sprints. First with the gold, paya wasi of Tailulu College. Second with the silver, Temo Kalatoni Vaivela of Liahona High School. And third with the bronze medals, Nixta Folo of Tonga College. Lele mitai wangeau ai timi whakafonua, whanau tangata. Koi uloaki moi koula. Ronald Fotofili. Koe wa mo siliva, pea wope fifita, pea koe tolu mo polonise, finau sulunga. National men, 200 meter sprints. First with the gold, Ronald Fotofili. Second with the silver, pea wope fifita. Third with the bronze medals, finau sulunga. Koi tolo shot put ai junior girls. Koi uloaki mo koula, laminia mikilani ako malunga tonga. Koi wa mo siliman, nai mila tuitupo, government middle schools hilifo. Koi tolu mo polonise, Choice Maria Songoi Mori, ako malunga liahona. Junior girls shot put. First with the gold, Lavinia Mikilani of Tonga High School. Second with the silver medals, Naimila Tuipulotu of Government Middle Schools, Nilifo. And third with the bronze medal, Choice Maria Sohomori of Liahona High School. Malo Puno. Feaui Puna Sitepu. Ai senior boys triple champ. Koi uloaki, moi koula, koi metali whalangilangi, pitami, koi iskotupou. Koi ngahia ko angai tolani, uloaki moi koula, ali feleti takataka, koi istonga. Koi ua moi siliga, liami lataku, lavenga malie, Christian College. Koi tolu moi polonise, finau kau fusi, koi istai lulu. Senior boys triple champ. A gold medal is presented to Peter V of Tupou College and overseas competitor. Gold medalist Alifeleti Takataka of Tonga College. Silver medalist Williami Lataku of Lavenga Malie Christian College. And third with the bronze medals Finau Kaufusi of Tailulu College. Malo Uno. Koe Peauhi Tolotiskas ai senior girls. Koe uloaki moi koula, Senolita Fraus Folau koris kunsalote. Koe ua moi siliva, Melefehi Turiki Hakau koris kunsalote. Koe tolu moi polonise Ilaisane Li koris Tailulu. Senior girls, Tiska Stroh. First with the gold, Senorita Fraus Folau of Queen Salote College. Second with the silver, Melefehi Turiki Hakau of Queen Salote College. Third with the bronze medals, Eliza Anneli of Tailulu College. Malo puno. Koi tolo discus a national women. Koi tokota hape o ata mama tuuta faiva. National women discus throw gold medals goes to ata mama tuuta faiva. Kataki paspasi atu ata mama koi frafofonga ini atongani ke he sipoti e South Pacific Games i Hamoa i Siulai. Koi metali koulai atongani ata mama tuuta faiva. Malo puno. Koi feauhi puna stepu ai intermediate boys. Koi uluaki ko metali koula. Whakalangi-langi o whakia kia amilame finau o kolistonga. Koi uluaki mo koula. Saya Filimone kolis kotupou. Koi ua mo siliva manasetapu tau whangau Pilolevu College. Koi tolu pa koi kolonise sio saya tuta faiva kolis kotupou. Intermediate boys triple champ. A gold medal is presented to Amilame Finau of Tonga College and overseas competitor. And the gold medalist Saya Filimone of Tupou College. Silver medalist Manase Tapu Tauwhahau Pilolevu College. And bronze medalist Siosaya Tuuta Faiva of Tupou College. Malo. Feauhi puna sindepu ai open boys. Metali koula whalangi-langi o whakia kia tevita finau o e kolistonga. Koi uluaki mo koula Christopher Tamefuna ako maulunga liahona. Koi ua mo siliva sione tui whangaloka kolistonga. Tolu mo kolonise tevita wakatapu koliskotupou. Open boys triple champ. A gold medal is presented to Tevita Finau of Tonga College and overseas competitor. And the gold medalist is Christopher Tamefuna of Liahona High School. The silver medalist Sione Tuifangaloka of Tonga College. And the bronze medalist Tevita Wakatapu of Tupou College. Malo, uno. Feauhi puna stepu ai ngahi timi whakafonua. Koi metali koula o whakia kia toto o whamea. Koi metali siliva, whakia kia Mosese Foriaki. Koi metali polonise o Kalavite Wakamelalo. National men triple champ. First with the gold medal, Toto Ofamea. Second with the silver, Mosese Foriaki. And third with the bronze medals, Kalavite Wakamelalo. Koi feauhi tolosika ai open boys. Koi uluaki moi koula mafi whakatene kolistonga. Koi ua moi siliva hei muri tauwha koliskotupou. Koi tolu moi polonise ke lepi saipaia koliskotupou. Open boys javelin throw. First with the gold, mafi whakatene of Tonga College. Third with the silver medals, Heimuli Taufa of Tupou College. And third with the bronze medals, Kelepi Funanti Saipaia of Tupou College. Kataki, ako paspasiya ko ay kaumang medali ako ni. Feauhi tolo discus ai senior boys. Koe ulu aki mo me tari koula. Sengsta nai toko koris lavenga marie. Koe ua mo siliba. Saya ko mana ako maalunga tonga. Koe tolu ka mo polonise te vita tatafu koris akfo. Senior boys discus throw. First with the gold. Sengsta nai toko of Lavenga Marie Christian College. Third with the silver. Saya Pomana of Tonga High School. Third with the bronze medals, Tevita Tatafu of Api for All College. Malo, uno. Koe Feaui tolo shot put ai ngah timi whakafonua. National men shot put throw. First with the gold, Mosese Foriaki. Second with the silver, Paya Fisihoi. Third with the bronze, Toto Ofavea. National men shot put throw. Gold medalist, Mosese Foriaki. Silver medalist, Paya Fisihoi. And the bronze medalist is Toto Ofavea. Malo, uno. Feauhi Punasitepu ai senior girls. Senior girls triple champ. Koe ula ki makoula, si titi maake, ako maalunga tonga. Koe wa mo siliva, makelesi fangko kolis kuin salote. Koe tolu ma kolonise, Sela Pascala, ako maalunga riahuna. Senior girls triple champ. First with the gold, Sintiti Maake of Tonga High School. Third with the silver medals, Makelesi Fangpo of Queen Salote College. And third with the bronze medals, Sela Pascala of Liahona High School. Malo, puno. Koe me tari whaosi e whoaki i e taimini. Koe tolo mea mamafa ai national men. Aia koe me tari koula o whoakia kia lisiate halai whanua. National men shot put. And the gold medal is awarded to Lisiate Halaifonua. Koe whakafofonga pe ena. Malo, uno. Tama Pilinisi Kalaniwalu Fotofili. Koe ne lava ia, ai uloaki whoaki metali. O feau ni sipoti e aho hono wha. O sipoti no hiva mo fulu maa wha. O ngahi ako atonga takulu. Whakamaloa. Whakamaloa te kaupule ako o kau whafofonga i e lava o whatongi ako wa. Ka tau hoko atu ki e tau polo kalama.
Malo daisia. Lava toa e whoaki metari koe a tau. Teu te watueni ki lere siri whaosi. O 100 meter sprint ka toa pe ai ngahi kalasi ko ni na os mau mai mita te au lere mari ta hai mita te au famalo la hat ki ka ofisa
kei ota ke foki ai famalo ma ke he be foki he tau ngahi kau taha kau whataha
tami te uano he
he pou ko ia I whamafola hanga tonu atu koe ni e spoti koe ni hono hiwang fulu maa wha. Koe Pacific Forum Line, PFL, Rio Tonga Airlines, koe EM Jones Limited, Tonga Health Promotion, koe Waterfront Restaurant and Catering, te be whoki ki he whakatau mawhi finance. Koe ngahi kau taha i au nau kōkō, tokoni koe ki he tau whamafola I aho ni wha. Ko tau whanonga mai ai.
Ko whaki ai me tari honoa ke ngahi whiauhi nai whakahoko I hoa pongpongi o ahoni. Koe uraki me tali o fuaki, koe lele, steeplechase, mita tolu afe ai open boys. Koe uloaki mo me tali koula, fusi manu hapai kolistonga. Koe ua mo me tali siliva, biliami po ulivaati koliskotupou. Koe tolu mo me tali polonise, feki tufi kolistonga. Famalo atu, Palestini, siosaya vea, koe Palestinia o sias ahofitu, koe kolistutu koe kolistonga, o kune fuaki ai me tali e kolistonga. Sante suatu, koe kolistutu koe koliskotupou, o kune fuaki atu ai me tali o koliskotupou. 300 meters steeplechase open boys. Malo, puno. Mita tolu afe, steeplechase, senior boys. Koe uloaki mo koula, sione tau fe ulungaki koliskotupou. Koe ua mo siliva, paia finau, eua secondary schools. Koe tolu mo polonise, supamani lupe uvea kolistailulu. 3,000 meters steeplechase, senior boys. First with the gold, Sione Taufelungaki of Tupou College. Second with the silver, Paia Finau of Ewa Secondary Schools. And third with the bronze medals, Supamani Lupe Uvea of Tailulu College. Malo, uno. He tolo mita te au ai Mitchell Girls. Koe uloaki mo koula, manatu hafoka, Queensalote College. Koe wa mo siliva, Sela Powono, Liahona High School. Koe tolu pa mo polonise, Nigeria Latu, Ewa Secondary Schools. 100 meters hurdles, Mitchell Girls. First with the gold medals, Manatu Hafoka of Queensalote College. Second with the silver medals, Sela Powono of Liahona High School. And third with the bronze medals, Nigeria Latu of Ewa Secondary Schools. Malo, uno. He tolo mita te au ai junior girls. Koe uloaki mo koula, Mafi Fangatua, Tonga High School. Koe ua mo siliva, Luciane Kaufusi, Ewa Secondary Schools. Koe tolu mo polonise, Anita Hufanga, Tonga High School. 100 meters hurdles, junior girls. First with the gold medals, Mafi Fangatua of Tonga High School. Second with the silver, Luciane Kaufusi, Ewa Secondary Schools. And third with the bronze medals, Anita Hufanga, again of Tonga High School. Malo, uno. He tolo mita te awa intermediate girls. Koe ulaki mo me tari koula, Florence Hakalo, Kolis Queensalote. Koe ua mo siliva, Losena Falevai, Ewa Secondary Schools. Koe tolu mo polonise, Camille Tangitau, Kolis Apfo'o. 100 meters hurdles, intermediate girls. Gold medalist, Florence Hakalo of Queensalote College. Silver medalist, Losena Falevai of Ewa Secondary Schools. And bronze medalist, Camille Tangitau of Api for All College. Malo, uno. He tolo mita te au ai senior girls. Koe uloaki mo koula, si Titi Maake, Tonga High School. Koe ua mo siliva, Malia Ahau, Queensalote College. Koe tolu mo polonise, Veronica Tau, Queensalote College. Senior girls, 100 meters hurdles. First with the gold, Sititi Maake of Tonga High School. Second with the silver, Malia Ahau of Queensalote College. And third with the bronze medals, Veronica Tau of Queensalote College. Malo, uno. He tolo mita te au ai open girls. Koe uloaki mo me tari koula, mele mi late a kolo kolistakuilau. Ko e wā mo e siriva, hola I moana tau waka, ako maulunga tonga. Ko e tolu mo e polonise, mele poafa, ako maulunga riahona. 100 meters hurdles, open girls. First with the gold, Mele Milate Akolo of Takuilau College. Second with the silver, Holai Moana Tawaka of Tonga High School. And third with the bronze, Mele Poafa of Liahona High School. Malo, uno. He tolo mita te au ai Mitchell Boys. Koi ulati mo koula, Paula Manofetoa, Tupou College. Ko e wā mo siliva, te vita kuri ke Liahona High School. Ko tolu mo polonise, Paula Whakailoa Tonga, Liahona High School. Mitchell Boys, 100 meters hurdles. First with the gold, Paula Manofetoa of Tupou College. Second with the silver medal, te vita kuri ke of Liahona High School. Third with the bronze, Paula Whakailoa Tonga of Liahona High School. Malo, uno. He tolo mita te au ai Junior Boys. Koi ulo aki me tari koula Sione Maasi Tupou College. Koi wā mo siriva Sione Lutui Tonga High School. Koi tolu mo polonise te Mokalatoni Vaivela Liahona High School. Junior Boys 100 meters hurdles. First with the gold, Sione Maasi of Tupou College. Second with the silver, Sione Lutui of Tonga High School. And third with the bronze medals, Temo Kalatoni Vaivela of Liahona High School. Malo, uno. He tolo mita te au hongofulu ai Intermediate Boys. Koi ulo aki mo koula, koi me tari whalangi amilame finau Koristonga. Koi ulo aki mo me tari koula, hea masi whakalelu Korisko Tupou. Koi wā mo siriva, ne humitui halamaka Korisko Tupou. Koi tolu pa mo polonise, ka inga tau fo'ou Ewa Secondary Schools. 110 meters hurdles, Intermediate Boys. A gold medal is awarded to Amilame Finau, an international competitor of Tonga College. Gold medalist Hamasi Whakalelu of Tupou College. Silver medalist Nehumitui Halamaka of Tupou College. And bronze medalist Kainga Tau Fo'ou Ewa Secondary Schools. Malo, uno. He tolo mita te au hongofulu ai Senior Boys. Koi me tari koula, whakalangilangi o kufuakia kia pitami o Korisko Tupou. Koi tokotaha whiauhi ka me tuapureanga. Koi ulo aki mo koula, ali whereti kai foto Tupou College. Ua mo siriva si au si wakapuna Tupou College. Koi tolu mo polonise paea makameilalo Tonga College. 110 meters hurdles, Senior Boys. A gold medal is awarded to Peter V of Tupou College, an overseas competitor. The gold medals is awarded to Alifeleti Kaifoto of Tupou College, silver medalist Yausi Wakapuna of Tupou College, and bronze medalist Paya Makameilalo of Tonga College. Malo, uno. He tolo mita te au hongofulu ai Open Boys. Koe me tari koula whalangilangi o Kfuakia kia te vita finau o Koristonga. Koe ulo aki pa mo me tari koula. Ka tatu whamore mole, ki kore atu ke ngahi ako, ki whalere o si fo pewhia fia ka lava o whakakato ange ai polo kalama koe ni. Kore atu e koristonga. Mo ako maulunga tonga. Tau hoko atu ke fua ke tau ngahi metari. 100 meters hurdles open boys. Koe metari koula pa mo certificate o taimi lere taha. O fuakia ke asiosi fapone o korisko tupou. Koe metari siliva mo ewa wate soni pale o korisi o yako malunga riahona. Pea koe tolu me polonise o Edwin Lavaka o koristonga. Open boys 110 meters hurdles. Gold medalist Siosi Fapone of Tupou College. Silver medalist Watesoni Pale of Riahona High School. And bronze medalist Edwin Lavaka of Tonga College. Malo puno. Koe he tolo mita te au hongo fulu ai ngahi timi whakafonua. Koe me tari koula o whaki ake a Mosese Foriaki. Koe me tari siriva o whaki ake a Peaope Fifita. Pea koe me tari polonise o whaki ake a Toto o Whawea. National men 110 meters hurdles. Gold medalist Mosese Foriaki. Silver medalist Peaope Fifita. And the bronze medalist is Toto Ofavea. All from the Tonga national team. Lele mita whangeau ai Mitchell girls. Koe uloaki mo me tari koula, tapaita Satini Tonga Side School. Koe ua mo siliva, Crystal Sili Lavenga Marie Christian College. Koe tolu mo polonise, Ofalatu Government Middle Schools Hihifo. 400 meters, Mitchell girls. First with the gold, tapaita Satini of Tonga Side School. Second with the silver, Crystal Sili Lavenga Marie Christian College. And third with the bronze medals, Ofalatu Government Middle School, Hihifo. Malo, uno. Lele mita whaneau ai junior girls. Koe uloaki me koula, wike lotu mate alona ewa secondary school. Koe ua me siriva, Tupou Hikila, Tonga High School. Koe tolu me polonise, Fatai Kaufusi, Riahona High School. Junior girls, 400 meters sprints. First with the gold, wike lotu mate alona ewa secondary schools. Second with the silver, Tupou Hikila of Tonga High School. And third with the bronze medals, Fatai Kaufusi of Liahona High School. Malo, puno. Tau hoko atu, kia lele mita whangeau ai intermediate girls. O kuiaia me tari koula whalangilangi, kia Eleanor North o Koris Kuisalote, ka whakafofonga te auhi e kua ana. Koe uruaki mo me tari koula, Los Tika Feke, Tonga High School. Koe ua mo siliva, Ma'utuiono, Tailulu College. Koe tolu mo polonise, Romay Burke, Api for All College. Intermediate girls, 400 meters sprints. A gold medal is presented to an overseas competitor of Queen Charlotte College, Eleanor North. And the gold medalist is Lositika Feke of Tonga High School. Silver medalist, Ma'utuiono of Tailulu College. And bronze medalist, Romay Burke of Api for All College. Malo puno. Lele mita whangeau ai senior girls. Koe me tari koula. Whakia kia Mele Kafa of Queen Charlotte College. Koe me tari siliva moe wa paia whatawhengi koristai lulu. Koe tolu moe polonise Mele Lakai Moa koris Queen Charlotte. Senior girls 400 meters sprints. First with the gold, Mele Kafa of Queen Charlotte College. Second with the silver, Paia Fatafehi of Tailulu College. And third with the bronze medals, Mele Lakai Moa of Queen Charlotte College. Malo puno. Lele mita whangeau ai open girls. Koe ulo aki me me tari koula. Holai moana tauwaka Tonga High School. Koe wa me siliva Maria Paseka korista kuilau. Koe tolu mo polonise Maria Manuhapai o korista kuilau. Open girls 400 meter sprints. First with the gold, Holai Moana Tauwaka of Tonga High School. Second with the silver, Maria Paseka of Takuilau College. And third with the bronze medal, again from Takuilau College, Maria Manuhapai. Malo, puno. Tauwako atu. Ia lele mita whangeau ai Mitchell Boys. Koe uro aki mo koula, sio siwa e te aki korisko tupou. Koe ua mo siliva, se misi tawalupe tau whaahau Pilolevu College. Koe tolu mo polonise, se misi luau korisko tupou. Mitchell Boys, 400 meter sprints. Gold medalist is Yosiwa e te aki of Tupou College. The silver medalist, Semisi Tawalupe of Taufahau Pilolevu College. And the bronze medalist, Semisi Luau of Tupou College. Lele mita whangeau ai junior boys. Koe ulo aki mo koula, Nick Stata Folo Kolistonga. Koe ua mo siliva Christian Tupou Liahona High School. Koe tolu mo polonise Penaia Natsolo Tonga College. Junior boys 400 meter sprints. First with the gold, Nick Stata Folo of Tonga College. Second with the silver medals, Christian Tupou of Liahona High School. And third with the bronze medals, Penaia Natsolo again of Tonga College. Malo, puno. Lele mita whangeau ai intermediate boys. Koe ulu aki pamoe koula, atu naisa folau kolisko tupou. Koe metari siliva whakalangilangi o whakia kia amilame whinau o kolistonga. Koe ua mo siliva, sione bea matahau, kolisa fōu, kia koe tolu mo polonise, Lopeti Lele Noa, Liahona High School. Intermediate boys, 400 meter sprints, gold medalist, Atunaisa Folau of Tupou College. The silver medals is presented to Amilame Finau of Tonga College and overseas competitor. The silver medals, Sione Bea Matahau, Apifo'o College, and the bronze medals is awarded to Lopeti Lele Noa of Liahona High School. Intermediate boys, 400 meter sprints. Malo, puno. Lele mita whangeau ai senior boys. Koe ulo aki mo me tari koula, isileri angi tau korisko tupou. Koe ua mo siliva, a hasi la kulu ewa secondary schools. Koe tolu mo polonise, Supamani Lupe Uvea, koristai lulu. Senior boys, 400 meter sprints. First with the gold is Hilaria Ngitau of Tupou College. Second with the silver, Ahasila Kulu of Ewa Secondary Schools. And third with the bronze medal, Supamani Lupe Uvea of Tailulu College. Malo, puno. Tau hoko atu, ki e lele mitai whangeau ai Open Boys. Koe ulo aki pa moi koula, Falakiko Fisfau, Tupou College. Koe ua moi Siriva, Viliami Televave, Tonga College. Koe tolu moi Polonise, Sione Asikia, Korisko Tupou. Open Boys, 400 meter sprints. First with the gold, Falakiko Fisfau of Tupou College. Second with the silver medals, Viliami Televave of Tonga College. And third with the bronze medals, Sione Asikia of Tupou College. Malo, puno. Tau hoko atu ki he Puna Sitepu ai Intermediate Girls. Koe ulo aki mo koula, Melekei Koriskuin Salote. Koe ua mo Siriva, e malatariki afu ako malunga tonga. Koe tolu mo Polonise, Inita Loti Koris Lavenga Marie. Intermediate Girls, Triple Champ. First with the gold, Mele Kei of Queen Salote College. Second with the silver medals, Emalata Likiafu of Tonga High School. Third with the bronze medals, Inita Loti of Lavenga Malie Christian College. Malo, puno. Tolo mea mamafa ai Senior Girls. Koe ulu aki mo koula, pele naise hafoka ako maalunga tonga. Koe ua mo Siriva, Senolita fra Osfolau Koriskuin Salote. Koe tolu mo Polonise, Amelia Maile o Koris Apfo. Senior Girls Shot Put. First with the gold, Pelenaise Hafoka of Tonga High School. Second with the silver medal, Senolita Faust Folau of Queen Salote College. And third with the bronze medals, Amelia Maile of Api for All College. Malo, puno. Feauhi tolo tiskas ai Intermediate Boys. Koe ulu aki mo koula, Sonatane Kaufusi, Korisko Tupou. Koe ua mo Siriva, Brenton Televave, Koris Tailulu. Koe tolu, ka mo Polonise, Netane Loloa, Koris Tailulu. Intermediate Boys, discus throw. First with the gold medal, Sonatane Kaufusi of Tupou College. Second with the silver, Brenton Televave of Tailulu College. And third with the bronze medals, Netane Loloa, again of Tailulu College. Malo, puno. Koe Feauhi Puna Loloa, ai Senior Girls. Koe ulu aki mo metari koula, Makelesi Fangpo Koriskuin Salote. Koe ua mo Siriva, Sutiti Maake, ako malunga tonga. Koe tolu mo Polonise, Losa Tuapauta Korista Kuilau. Senior Girls Long Champ. First with the gold medals, Makelesi Fangpo of Queen Salote College. Second with the silver, Sutiti Maake of Tonga High School. And third with the bronze medals, Losa Tuapauta of Queen Takuilau College. Malo, uno. Feauhi Puna Sitepu ai Open Girls. Koe ulu aki mo koula, Mele Milate Akolo Koris Takuilau. Ua mo Siriva, Sara Kawaka ako malunga tonga. Koe tolu mo Polonise, Sarah Fangau, Korisi Liahona, ako malunga Liahona. Open girls, triple champ. First with the gold, Mele Milate Akolo of Takuilau College. Second with the silver medal, Sarah Kawaka of Tonga High School. And third with the bronze medal, Sarah Alewa Fangau of Liahona High School. Malo Puno. Koe metali fraosi o kfoaki I he taimini, koe whiauhi tolo tiskas ai midget girls. Koe uluaki mo metali koula, kaloni moala kolis kunsalote. Koe ua mo metali siliva, tupoutua tamuhapai ako maalunga tonga. Koe tolu mo metali polonise na ule ovea Mamaloa Side School. Midget girls, discus throw. First with the gold, Aloni Moala of Queen Salote College. Second with the silver medals, Tupoutua Tamuapai, Tonga High School. Third with the bronze medals, Naule Ovea of Mamaloa Side School. Malo Puno. Tama pilinisim, ka umaa ek-minister ko. Koe lava ia ai whaki me tali o noua ki ahoni. Koe toenga ngahi me tali te tautok whakakato hono whaki I osi ai ngahi whiauhi o ahoni. Whamalo atu ke kaupure ako, o lava o whatongi ako ia malo au pita.
Malo lahi taisia ke mauiwi hono whakakato ngahi me tali goi o taha whe kupu goi. Tau te te watu ni ki he tau even whakaosi I he ahoni. Koe 4 by 100 meters relay. Koe maari e taha ia. O ngahi whiauhi si poti ka koe lere fuka motu motu.